Hello again, Kristen here, Threat Hunter and Analyst at Azure. As more organizations move to the cloud, there is still a need to implement strong security practices. Users are regularly connected to the cloud and want to ensure their identities and data are protected. A single compromised account, however, is enough to spearhead larger attacks. Today I give a brief look into the top 3 types of attacks used against cloud users and tips on how to secure Azure or 365 since they are the most common. 1. Password-based attacks. The most important thing to protect your users from password-based attacks is to enable multi-factor authentication, or MFA. This tip actually helps with the other 2 threats as well. You can also turn off legacy authentication for all user accounts and implement the use of long and complex passwords for service accounts, also known as privileged accounts, which are used by applications to interact with the operating system. 2. Credential phishing. Unsuspecting users often open malicious links or attachments that falsely indicate account issues. When the user clicks through to resolve them, they see a well-crafted fake login page that prompts for their credentials. You can use conditional access policies, which can block access by location or IP address, and Azure Identity Protection for risk-based policies, which can be configured in premium editions of Azure AD to help protect against this type of attack. 3. Consent phishing or app attacks. This type of attack occurs when attackers use stolen or fake app instances to ask users to grant wide-ranging permissions in O365 to the attacker's application. This will then grant persistent access to the targeted user's 365 account. The best mitigation strategy to prevent this attack is to disable user consent, though that will require admins to approve any additional requests to add new apps for users. You'll find more tips in our white paper, Securing the Microsoft Cloud from Azure to M365, on our website. This is Kristen, Threat Hunter and Analyst with Azure. Stay safe and stay vigilant.